Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to migrate EC2 instance from one region to other region. Let's start. Go to your EC2 service. You can see here the number of instances running and stopped state. So choose one instance. I'm choosing EC2 demo video. Go to the actions. Here you can see image and template, right? Click on that. Create a image and here give the image name. So I'm giving EC2 migration to Mumbai. I'm migrating this image to Mumbai region, and here description is I'm just copying this and pasting here. So I'm putting this as default reboot instance. It helps to save all the files properly, and I'm leaving as 8 because of this is just for demo purpose. No need to add any volume here, and the rest I'm leaving as default. Click on create image. You can see here it's creating image AMI. So can check out here images and AMI. Here you can see image migration Mumbai. This is our AMI image name, right? So select this, go to the actions, copy AMI. Here you can see our image name, and the description is we already given this. So here you can see, and the destination region we're gonna choose you here Mumbai. So select it. If you want to include tax, you can just click on it. I don't want to include any tax here. Here one feature newly added here, time-based copy. What it does, so AMI copy takes time because of AWS need to migrate from one region to another region, right? So in this purpose, this new feature came, I guess. I'm leaving this one as default. So let's create here copy AMI. Now let me go to the Mumbai region. So currently I'm in North Virginia. Choose Mumbai. So here we go, EC2 migration Mumbai. You can see here, right, in Mumbai region. So click on here, launch instance from AMI. You can see here this is the option. Give the name here, so migration EC2. Leaving this one as default, and instant type also default. Key pair, you have to create a new key pair for this. You know how to create a new key pair, right? So click on here, new key pair. So provide the name and just create key pair, and then network settings, you have to create security group and attach if you want. Otherwise you can go with existing security groups or create a new. And here configuration storage also I'm leaving here as default. So launch a instance, click on here. It asking me to create a key pair. I don't want to create any key pair here, so I'm using this key pair only. Let me launch. It's failed. Let me check. Something is missing. Let me check the status of the AMI. Where is this AMI? Yeah, sorry guys, here the status still in pending. Yeah, whenever it status is up and running, so you can try these steps as usual. Okay guys, bye.